here we go. This is the one screw that's supposed to go into here. The second screw here. Okay, the fan is in, so we need to put that in there too. Okay, I think this is the screw for the fan. Right there. Okay, the fan is secure. Now the I/O board. Right here, this is the I/O board. And goes in like that. Oops. Looks like I put this screw in too early. The I/O board is gonna be locked into this position too, so let's get it out. Here we go. Okay, the I/O board goes in there, just like that. Not sure why it's not going in. Maybe it's this prong. Okay, so go in there like that. Come on. Get in there. Get in there. Okay, here we go. Now it's in. I'm just going to get this one screw, lock into this hole, and lock both the fan and also the I/O board into position. Here we go. And then this cable go in here. Here we go. That cable is in. And there should be a screw here. This is the I/O board cable, so I'm going to press it down, put it into position, line it up, and then press it down. That's it. So that is in. I should have a screw over there, and then the speaker go there. So I should almost be ready. And this guy is the I/O board. Power cable go in there to feed the logic board, motherboard. So let's get that. Let's get the speaker on and get the screw on. Left or right, so line this up and then push it down, the speaker. Here we go. That speaker is in. And then I need a screw here, so I'm going to look for that screw before I put the flex cable. Installing the cable, the speaker on this side, and here we go. Speaker is in. Just lining up the speaker cable and press it down, and that's it. The speaker on this side is also done. Fan is in, cable is in, everything is in, all good. And over here it's good too. So this is the backlight cable. So let's push this out and press it back in. Then press the lock down, and this is the mouse track, flex cable. Push this in. Here we go, and press this lock down and lock in. So the mouse trap is also in. Last step is flex cable. Yeah, almost forgot the flex cable. Here we go. Flex cable. Flex cable is in. It's in here as well. Okay, flex cable is in. Oops. I'm missing a screw here, so let's not get too. So there's a screw for the I/O board, so still gotta put that in there. Let's put the I/O board screw in. Here we go. I/O board screw is in. Almost there, almost there. Okay, now time for the flex cable. Okay, flex cable is in. Everything is good. Now the last step is battery install. Okay, here's the battery. Okay, here we go. Plug the battery in. Okay. There we go. Battery cable is in. And just put the battery screws in. Okay, let's do that. The battery has 6 screws, so that's 1 go in there, 2 go in there, 3 go here, 4 go here, and 5 go here. So 5 screws for the battery, and they're the hex screws. So that's it. This is a hex screw. 5 screws for the battery. So 1, 2. This is the long screw for the battery. 3, 4. The hex screw for the battery. 5. 5. Okay. Where is the last? Oh, there are 2 more screws right here for the speakers. Okay, back cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 screws in here. 1. Let's see, let's count it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10 screws. The long screws should go in the back. Final installation, I should have 10 screws in the back, and the 2 long screws should go to the back, 2 back holes, and the other 8 are the same, just go around the laptop, and then that's it. These are Pentalope 5 stars screws. So I'm just putting these together now. Okay, last 2 screws. Final screw. Okay, turn things around. Here's the final moment of truth. And finally, the new keyboard is installed. And I'm gonna turn this thing on. Moment of truth. Power key is still not powering things on. Kind of silly. Battery may be dead, I don't know. Alright, so I'm gonna go get the cable.